Apple, love them or loathe them, you can't deny they are masters of product design. This project will hopefully act as an extension to one of their products, the Apple Watch. A feature of the Apple Watch is the ability to easily swap out and change the watch strap. While this gives you a lot of style choices, it also leaves you with a problem. Where do you store the watch straps while they aren't in use? Well, I'm hoping this display drawer is the answer. The main body of the drawer is made from European beech. With its tight grain and subtle colour tone, it was the perfect choice to complement the Apple Watch. To give stability and rigidity to the drawer, a multi-layered plywood was used for the bottom and the slide-out section. Like the choice of watch straps, these pieces can be a multitude of colours. For contrast, American black walnut was chosen. These pieces will be the front and back to the drawer. Full extension ball bearing drawer slides may be over-engineered for this application, but they ensure the drawer will continue working even under the harshest of use cases. A veneer of European ash is added. This will greet you as you open the drawer. Five hand-routed pockets will be the home for the watch straps. The rounded corners matching the face of the Apple Watch itself. All the edges are trimmed flush so the transition between materials is seamless. The four corners receive the same round over. Again, this mirrors the iconic styling of the watch face. A gloss lacquer completes the piece. Its sheen is subtle, yet reflects the light perfectly. The drawer both blends in and makes a statement in the home. It's there at the start of your day, your choice of watch straps laid out before you. The decision is yours. The magnetic catches ensure the drawer closes fully to complete the seamless outside edge. Notice how the light hugs the curved corners, almost like water flowing down to the splash of colour beneath. The drawer pull offers a nod to the app icon styling that graces all iOS devices. At the end of your day, the drawer is your hub. Returning that day's choice of watch strap becomes a ritual. What will you wear tomorrow? If you would like to know more about the Apple Watch storage drawer, follow the links in the description box below. There is a more in-depth build log where I'll go over the steps involved to create the drawer itself. Thank you all for watching.